Hi everyone, welcome to Auto News Now from downtown Los Angeles. I'm Tom Moravec.
And I'm Jennifer Vong. It's a busy week here in town.
Indeed it is. LA Auto Show activities are already underway, and this year's show is packed with products from all segments.
Let's begin with the hot crossover segment. Honda will show the Passport. The nameplate returns as a two-row crossover slotted between the CR-V and Pilot. The Passport will compete with the Ford Edge, Hyundai Santa Fe, and Nissan Murano. Hyundai, meantime, will debut the Palisade. It will be the brand's biggest crossover since the Veracruz was dropped in 2013. The Palisade hits showrooms next summer. Among BMW's unveilings, a battery electric crossover concept and the three-row X7 crossover. And Audi will show the e-tron GT concept. It's a high-performance derivative of its coming e-tron electric crossover. To pickups now, the long-awaited Jeep Gladiator will be revealed. The Wrangler-based pickup is already in pre-production at an assembly plant in Toledo, Ohio. The Gladiator is slated to start arriving in showrooms by April of 2019. EV startup Rivian showed its all-electric pickup called the R1T. It will be powered by a quad motor system and can reach 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds. Rivian also revealed a long-range electric SUV, the R1S. We'll have more on the R1S tomorrow morning on First Shift. And don't count out sedans at the show. Toyota will introduce a hybrid version of the 12th generation Corolla, and Nissan will showcase a freshened Maxima for the 2019 model year.
Now, Volvo Cars and Luminar reveal a new groundbreaking development in the
Meanwhile,
sensor
Volvo
technology.
is teaming with tech startup Luminar. The companies are demonstrating an advanced LiDAR sensor here in LA. LiDAR uses pulse laser signals to detect objects. It's a crucial element in creating safe autonomous cars. But new perception capabilities being developed by Luminar and Volvo make it possible for the system to detect human poses, including individual limbs such as arms and legs. Volvo says that's a level of detail not previously possible with this type of sensor.
Now let's take a look at the rest of your afternoon headlines. Tesla sales in China tumbled 70% last month from a year ago. That's according to the China Passenger Car Association. The agency tells Reuters that Tesla sold just 211 vehicles in the world's largest auto market in October. Tesla, which imports all the vehicles it sells in China, said in October that tariff hikes on auto imports were hammering its sales there. In July, Beijing raised tariffs on imports of U.S.-built automobiles to 40% amid a worsening trade standoff with the states. However, Tesla recently secured the site for its first overseas factory in Shanghai, a move that will help the company avoid steep tariffs.
A top Mitsubishi executive saying today that the days of a single automaker being able to develop new technologies on its own are fading. Mitsuhiko Yamashita reiterating to reporters the importance of Mitsubishi's alliance with Nissan and Renault. He says the three-way partnership will continue to source more auto components together while leveraging their ties to develop technologies. Yamashita's comments come a day after Mitsubishi removed Carlos Ghosn as chairman. Ghosn was arrested and ousted from Nissan last week for alleged financial misconduct.
Finally, back to Rivian.
The automaker showed its electric pickup under the stars here in LA on Monday night.
And there was one big star who dropped by the event. Yep, that's singer Rihanna. There she is standing next to Rivian CEO RJ Scaringe. Perhaps a Rivian Rihanna nameplate is in the works?
I like it. It's catchy, I gotta be honest. So our flight came in late. I should have booked an earlier flight. We could have been within 5 feet of Rihanna.
Could have been right there.
I blew it.
Yeah, you did.
I blew it.
You did. But anyway, more highlights from the Los Angeles Auto Show tomorrow morning on First Shift.
Take care, everyone. We will not blow those. We'll see you tomorrow.